So you're going to be shopping for a Gen Z inspired outfit for me, and then I'm going to be shopping, and then we're both going to compare.
Maybe you're just getting old.
I hope you're recording her face right now. Who does she think she is?
I like it.
Ew!
Hello, I'm going to introduce to you now my little sister, Leah.
Hi.
Okay, Leah, you can be pretty mean to me because that's what sisters do. You know, she roasts me all the time.
Boom, roasted.
But I want to let the people know that you are a Gen Zer. I am a millennial. There is an 18-year age gap between the two of us. Leah is way cooler than I am. She has better style than I am. So can you please tell me what is like Gen Z style?
You know the vibes.
I guess you go from the top to the bottom. First of all, the side part.
Leah.
No. You gotta go down the middle.
But what if I look better in a side part?
Nobody looks better in a side part than they do a middle part.
That is not true. Look at this. Look at this. I love you, Leah, but our heads are not really made for middle parts.
I like my hair better in the middle part than I do a side.
What if I said I like your hair in a side part better than a middle part?
You'd be lying to me.
So before you lie about lying.
Oversized hoodies, oversized graphic tees.
Okay.
It can be like a little emblem right here, or it could be like big and gaudy, or like band tees.
Okay, but it has to be oversized. It can't be like fitted to my body.
It could be like oversized, or it could be like cropped.
What if I tuck it in my jeans, Leah, and then like give like a little poof on the outside?
Yeah, as long as it's oversized, but you can't do that unless it's oversized.
Okay, what about skinny jeans?
I don't like skinny jeans. Skinny jeans is not that popular anymore. You could do like mom jeans. Those are my favorite.
What about wide leg?
Wide legs are cute too.
Do you wear skinny jeans?
Not often. I have a pair on right now. But
You have a pair of skinny jeans on right now?
yeah.
Scandalous!
Can I wear sweat, like long shorts, like long mom shorts, or short shorts?
I've seen mom shorts come back in. There's a lot of people out here that wear mom shorts.
But will I look like, you know, an older millennial if I wear mom shorts, or will I look cool like a Gen Zer if I wear mom shorts?
Who likes short shorts?
I need to know though, Leah, about shoes. So I need to show you a pair of shoes that I have, and I need you to tell me if they're cool or not.
I'm not big on shoes, so I'll do my best.
I got budget white dad tennis shoes. These are like $15 from Forever 21. Are these cute or are these ugly? I think you should pray about it first before you answer. I could see the turmoil.
I should pray about it, or you should pray about it.
Oh.
I like them, but you have to wear like sweatpants with them for me to like them. Like sweatpants, t-shirts, sweatpants, crop top.
No, not with jeans.
No, not for me. No, that's gonna be a big no.
Nope.
It looked like daddy's shoes that he would wear with jeans. Maybe you're just getting old.
I've always been older than you.
Dang, dude got roasted.
Okay, so when you go to the club, you wear black jeans and heels and monochromatic. How do you stand out in a crowd then? Your personality?
Yeah, let's go with that.
Okay, Leah, now I'm questioning everything I've ever done.
I hate my life.
Do you like Addison Rae?
I think I do.
She's very Gen Z. She wears more colors like what you like.
Okay. You think I could pull that off? The bucket hat with the bra and the shorts?
Maybe. I feel like your style, her style are like similar, kind of, sort of.
We're talking about Addison Rae right now?
Yeah.
I've never felt cooler.
I'm totally cool. I'm so ready.
So you're going to be shopping for a Gen Z inspired outfit for me. And then I'm going to be shopping for a Gen Z inspired outfit for me. And then we're both going to compare to see which one actually looks the best. What are your thoughts?
I thought this is going to be fun. I'm excited.
Okay, let's do some shopping, shall we? So I'm torn on how to shop for this. There's a part of me that wants to shop knowing my sister is gonna put me through the ringer on this video. But there's another part of me that wants to shop and just live my best life and see if I can trick her into thinking that I shopped at the places that she normally shops at, but I really shopped at places she hates.
Fair enough. I'm a little lost, but fair enough.
So I'm torn. So I am hitting up Abercrombie because I feel like that's what the youths are doing. So I'm gonna start with their graphic tees. Oh, these are all super cute, trendy, stylish. Oh, I love the Britney Spears and the Whitney Houston, the Rolling Stones. I don't think my sister knows who any of these people are.
Are you kidding me?
Let's head over to Show Me Your Muumuu, which is probably the opposite of where my sister would shop. I love Show Me Your Muumuu. They have amazing stuff. They're LA based. A lot of their clothes are made in Los Angeles, which I love. Their denim is incredible. So, ooh, I have a lot of great selection here. Here are some boyfriend shorts. Love these. Now, my sister wanted me to go shop for clothes on Amazon. I only go shopping on Amazon when somebody on TikTok gives me the link to the cute thing that they're trying on. Knee-high boots. Okay, some of these are cute. I like these, okay. Maybe you're onto something, Gen Z, here with the Amazon thing. These are cute. Maybe I can get a pair of white boots with some, I was gonna say skinny jeans. I take it back. Blasphemy. Some shorts, maybe like a bandana top or a graphic tee top, and then I have to find a bag. I want one of those little dumpling bags. Dumpling bags. I don't know if they'd call them dumpling bags.
Yes, they do.
So that's what they look like, so that's how I'm gonna search for it. Oh, look at all the dumplings. It's gonna make me hungry just shopping for it. This one's kind of cool. This is like a crossbody bag twist on the dumpling. Oh, this is great. I'm enjoying this way too much. Maybe I should be shopping on Amazon more for clothes.
That's a great idea.
All of the items have arrived, so just to refresh, I have an outfit, Leah picked an outfit. The shopping experience was really stressful because I know how she is, being my sister. You know, sisters are always harder on you than other people, at least vocally, publicly. Leah, you added like, your hair needs to be like this. I was like, this girl knows I cannot do my hair.
I mean, yeah, that was the whole point of it. You had to go from head to toe.
Okay, got it. She's a little producer. I'm gonna go change into my Gen Z outfit that I picked from myself, and then I'm gonna reveal your outfit later. I was stressed out. All right, I'm gonna get changed. But she said already she liked my outfit today, so I'm already off to a good start.
I like it because of the color.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
I hope you're recording her face right now.
Oh, yeah, recording.
Are you frozen? Is the connection bad? How do I look?
I like it without the jacket, maybe.
What if okay, do you like the bag?
Yeah, the bag's cute.
What if I like wore it like this? You Gen Zers wear clothes in a way that you can't really move in case, you know, if there's an emergency. Like, how do I?
You have to run like this, I guess.
But now I can't be like, is this better?
That's cute.
Thank you. I knew you'd like it. But I love these boots. They're actually pretty comfortable. We're gonna link everything down in the description below in case you like anything that I styled for myself today. But I took your lead on oversized graphic tee kind of stuff, and I wasn't really sure on the accessories, so I just kind of went overboard because I feel like that's what Gen Zers do. Y'all just take it to the next level. But you didn't like the coat. You just like it like this.
I like it like this. I don't like it on.
Do you think my shorts are too short, Leah?
Oh.
Oh, that is such a compliment. Thank you. Usually I embarrass her in everything that I do. She's always judging me.
Are you kidding? That's what sisters are for.
What would you do differently?
I thought my shirt would be more oversized, it'd be longer, which I'm shorter, so that's not a huge issue. And if it was longer, like maybe like tuck it in like the side of your pant.
Like that?
Yeah, but then the other side would have to be longer for it to look the way that I was envisioning it.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Would you have worn like biker shorts with this or?
No, not with those boots. I like it like that.
Okay.
Those boots look cute on you.
Thank you. I'd let you borrow it, but your feet are smaller, so sorry.
Leah, do you have a favorite piece that Erin's wearing?
I think it's the boots and then the purse.
I feel very Gen Z. If I wore this in public, people would be like, who does she think she is? Does she also listen to Olivia Rodrigo? Like a damn sociopath! On a scale of 1 to 5, I feel like I did a 4.5. I was shooting in the dark on a lot of choices, but I felt like overall, vibe-wise, you would think that I'm 5 years younger, which I think I nailed it.
God's queen.
On a scale of 1 to 5, I give it like a 4. I give it a 4.
What could I have done better? Rude.
It's just, no, not rude.
Yeah.
It's the oversized shirt. It should have been longer.
That's enough to ding me an entire point.
I think maybe you could have pulled your hair back into like a clip or something, or try like a low bun. I feel like that would have been better.
Got it, yeah.
With the circle glasses like on your face, like on the tip of your nose with your hair pulled back, it would look better.
Okay, got it. I'm taking notes. I'll do better next time, Leah.
Okay, so I'm proud of you with your outfit. You did good for your first time. Now I want to see mine.
Okay, great. I just want it to be known that I used to dress Leah. She was a baby and I got to choose what she wore.
Whoa. I like it.
Ew!
The top is so cute.
I look like a fish caught in a net. What, Leah? I couldn't figure out how to put this shirt on.
Honestly, I may not have been able to figure out how to put it on either. But that's not the point.
What
The
is?
point is you look good.
Are you sure? Come closer to the camera.
Your hair.
Well, is that better?
Yeah, kind of. Actually, yeah.
Should I put my sunglasses on my shirt like that?
No.
How am I supposed to wear these in?
Yes.
Leah, this is a visual obstruction. If I had to like walk to the bathroom right now in these heels and this top, I don't know if I'd make it there safely.
Sometimes you just gotta take a little bit of a risk, but that looks good. I like it.
Leah, if I showed up at our house wearing this, you'd pass out dead.
Maybe in our town, yes, but in LA, you're fine.
Oh, in LA, I'm fine. I don't know if I'm fine in LA, actually. It's not my choice, but I actually own these glasses, so I'm closer to Gen Z than I thought. I'm afraid that this is so see-through in person. You could totally see all of my genetic DNA of my boobs. And also I feel like it is not like the best fit, or maybe it's just because I don't wear stuff like this. So I love the jeans, Abercrombie jeans. We all know them, we all love them. TikTok has brought them back in a big way. I actually really like the shoes a lot. Can you see the shoes, Leah?
Kind of.
These were the shoes.
Those are cute. They look good on you. Does it make your toes look long still?
Leah, I can't make my toes not look long. They're huge. They're like fingers. I feel like this is the most Gen Z outfit I've ever seen. There's nothing more Gen Z than, especially this like moo cow tote. I think this is so Gen Z. I would buy this outfit for you. I wouldn't buy it for me. So for me, I'm gonna give it a 3 personally, but if I was buying this for you, I'd give it a 5. Leah, how would you rate this outfit on a scale of 1 to 5?
Okay, I think I might agree with you. I like it for me more than I like it for you.
Isn't it funny how that happens?
I'm gonna give it like a 3.5.
Interesting. Honestly, it's almost like we're sisters or something. We know each other.
I had a lot of fun doing this. I feel like I could have done a little better considering in my mind, I was shopping for myself, I think, more than shopping for you. But I had fun.
Maybe we'll do it again, and hopefully by that time, you can come out to LA. We can go actually shopping together.